If you have stubborn belly fat, then I've got just the perfect one single exercise to finally burn that stubborn belly fat and get rid of the hanging belly, which is also the lower belly or the side belly fat. You will finally achieve a slim waist and definitely fit into your favorite clothes. All this while just sitting on a chair. Now you have no more excuses to make because sitting in a chair is most of the time what you do through the day. So now no more excuses. So doable, so beginner friendly, easy and effective. I know that's what you're looking for, and that's what my aim is to bring for you, so you can finally achieve a slim waist. Although these exercises are very easy, very doable, yet the correct breathing technique, if followed properly, can actually help you achieve a tight core, a slim waist. So that's all you have to do. You have to follow the correct breathing technique, the correct posture, and you must definitely engage your core while you're doing these exercises. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. So before we begin the simple exercise, let me teach you a very easy warm-up which you have to do before starting this exercise. You have to sit straight in the chair, put your hands behind your head, one toe pointing outwards. Your heel should be down, and this is how you have to do. When you go down, you have to exhale. Exhale completely, hold it slightly, then back again. Inhale, again exhale when you come down. Exhale when you come up, and now with the left leg. And that's it. So simple. Now let's begin with the exercise. So now for the simple and easy exercise, which is actually going to target your entire midsection. You have to keep your core tight. You must shift to the edge of the chair. Keep your one leg straight like this. Try and hold the chair so that you don't have any imbalance. And you have to tuck your knee towards your stomach. Pull it in and then out. But when you're pulling it in, you have to exhale. I can feel a tightness immediately around this area, especially this half, because this is the leg we are doing it with. This is completely beginner friendly and very effective. Please follow along. A reminder for all of you to keep your core tight, otherwise you might not feel the same effect that this exercise will bring. If sitting in a chair can get you perfect abs, then why not? And now with the next leg. You don't have to lift your leg up like this. It has to come in at this particular angle. And try not bending your back like this. It has to be straight. Keep your core tight, your shoulders pushed backwards, and your spine straight. Make sure you feel the effect in your stomach, your abdominal area, and not your leg. If you feel the effect in your leg, that means you're not doing it properly. Now let me show you the next variation of this very exercise, which is even more effective. So for the next variation, which is even more effective, you have to again sit at the edge of the chair. You have to have your spine straight, your shoulders pushed backwards, and your core tight. Now this is very, very important. What you must keep in mind is that you have to lift both your knees, both your legs together, but not like this. I know it's a little tough, way too advanced. What I'm going to teach you is going to be equally effective and so easy. All you have to do is lock your knees together. They should be touching each other's, and you just have to pull it in like this, hold it, and that's it. And immediately you will feel a strain around this area. So let's do it together. Exhale when you're bringing your knees up and inhale when you're going down. You can use the chair, hold it tightly to support your back, and definitely you will see a good stretch around your abdominal area. The toning and tightening is all waiting to happen. Let's do it together. If this exercise hasn't made you sweat, do let me know in the comment section. Probably you're not doing it right. I'm sweating, and I know you will too if you do it the right way. Now many of you find these particular exercises so difficult, whether it's laying on a mat, standing, even sitting in a chair. These rigorous exercises of bringing your knee all the way up is so difficult. So I'm going to show you an easy and effective version. Let's do it together. All you have to do is again sit at the edge of the chair, keep your core tight, your spine straight and shoulders pushed backwards. Now we have to support our knee like this with our hand and bring it all the way up and hold it there. And when we are in this position, we have to exhale. And then inhale when you're coming up, and then again with the next leg. Now for this exercise, the main important thing is you have to hold it while you're twisting sideways. And that is where you will feel the stretch over here. Let's do it together. Now let's do it with the right leg. Again, we're going to support our leg like this. enjoy today's simple exercise with not one but 3 variations. Now these will actually help you achieve a slim waist, but what will help you even more if you follow a clean eating pattern, if you eat healthy food, if you replace your fried food, your processed food with whole grains and whole meals. Try and cook fresh meals in the day and try and avoid your fried food, pizzas, pastas which are loaded with saturated fats. I know it's a little tough, you don't feel like giving it up at all. I'm not telling you to give it up completely, but at least eat in moderation. Don't go for the big size bucket, just have half a burger if you can. Start somewhere, give yourself a chance to see the results so you feel even more motivated. Because people who've joined my weight loss program are seeing stupendous results when exercise and diet work together. I am hoping the same for you, and if you wish to join my program, you can actually contact me with the number given below in the comments. If you wish to join my weight loss program for a paid customized diet plan, you can actually contact me with the link given in the video description below. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.